Hey everyone, welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Spark.
Hey, I'm Xena. Today, we're listening to a conversation between two people at a cafe. Cafes are perfect places to practice English while enjoying coffee and relaxation. Whether it's small talk with a stranger or catching up with an acquaintance, cafe conversations are naturally flowing and casual.
Let's listen to how this plays out.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you. It's getting so crowded in here today.
I know. Friday afternoons are always busy. Everyone's escaping work early.
That's true. I just finished a long week and I needed coffee and quiet.
I totally understand. Work can be exhausting. What do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a design agency downtown. What about you?
I'm a software engineer. I work in tech. We must live pretty close if we're both in downtown.
Probably. I've been working downtown for about 2 years now. Do you go to this cafe often?
Yeah, I come here pretty regularly. It's the best coffee in the area. Their cappuccinos are incredible.
That's good to know. I usually go to that other place on 5th Street, but I decided to try something new today.
You made a good choice. You have to try their pastries too. The croissants are amazing.
Oh, I might grab one. I haven't eaten anything all day.
You should. Working on an empty stomach is not good. You need fuel.
You're right. I get so focused on work that I forget to eat sometimes.
Same. I do that too. My colleagues always tell me I'm too focused. But when you're in a project, you just want to finish it.
Exactly. Like I'll be working on a design and I lose track of time completely.
How long have you been designing?
About 8 years. I studied graphic design in college and I've been working in the field since I graduated.
That's impressive. 8 years is a lot of experience. Do you love it?
Most of the time, but sometimes it can be frustrating. Clients always want changes last minute.
Oh, I feel that. It's the same in tech. People want features yesterday.
Right, and they don't understand that things take time. You can't just snap your fingers and make something perfect.
Exactly. But we do our best with the time we have.
True. So have you always been into tech since childhood?
Actually, no. I didn't get into programming until college. I was studying business and I hated it.
What made you switch?
I took a computer science class as an elective and I fell in love with it. It was creative, logical, and problem solving all at once.
That sounds amazing. Finding something you're passionate about is so important.
It really is. Are you passionate about design?
I am. When I create something beautiful, it makes me so happy. Even if clients don't like it, I love the process.
That's the right attitude. The process is just as important as the result.
Exactly. So what are you working on right now? Or is it secret?
Not secret, just complicated. We're building an app for financial management. It's pretty interesting, but very technical.
That sounds cool. Do you enjoy working on it?
I do. My team is great, and the company culture is awesome. We get free lunch, flexible hours, and they actually care about work-life balance.
That's rare. Most tech companies work people to death.
I got lucky. I turned down 2 other offers to work here, and I'm so glad I did.
That's wonderful. You made the right choice. How long have you been there?
3 years. It's been a great journey. What about your agency? Do you like working there?
It's okay. I like my colleagues and the work is interesting, but the pay could be better.
That's the eternal struggle. Good work-life balance usually comes with lower pay.
It's so frustrating. Why can't we have both?
I know. Ideally, yes, but in reality, most companies make you choose.
I've been thinking about freelancing. Being my own boss sounds appealing.
Have you considered it seriously?
Yeah, I've researched it a lot. I have some savings and I think I could make it work.
That's brave. Freelancing takes guts.
It does, but I'm tired of working for companies that don't appreciate my work.
I totally get that. You have to do what's best for you.
That's what I keep telling myself. But I'm also scared. What if I fail?
But what if you succeed? You could be making way more money as a freelancer.
That's true. And I'd have creative freedom. I wouldn't have to deal with corporate politics.
Exactly. Sounds like you should do it.
Maybe. I'll probably give it another year at the agency and save more money. Then I'll take the leap.
That's smart. Having a safety net is important.
Yeah. Oh, here comes the barista. I should order.
You should definitely try the cappuccino and a croissant.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation.
Of course. By the way, this conversation has been really nice. It's not often you meet someone random at a cafe and have a meaningful discussion.
I know. Usually people are just on their phones.
Right? I'm glad you asked to sit here.
Me too. You've actually helped me clarify some things about my future.
Really? How so?
Just talking about it out loud, it made me realize I'm ready for a change. Freelancing is probably in my near future.
Well, I think you'll be amazing at it. You seem talented and motivated.
Thank you. That means a lot. And good luck with your app. I hope it's a huge success.
Thanks. I hope it helps a lot of people manage their finances better.
I'm sure it will. So, do you come here at the same time every week? Maybe you will run into each other again?
I'm usually here on Friday afternoons around this time. You should come back.
I might. This place is great, and the company is even better.
I'm glad I could be good company. Here's my number if you want to exchange contact info. We could grab coffee again sometime.
Sure, that sounds nice. Here's mine.
Perfect. I'll text you.
Great. Oh, the barista's calling my order.
Go get your cappuccino and croissant. You deserve it.
Thanks. It was really nice meeting you, David.
You too, Amy. Enjoy your coffee.
You too. See you around.
See ya.
All right, everyone, that was a conversation between two people at a cafe.
Notice how they started with a simple question about the seat.
They naturally transitioned from small talk to deeper conversation about work and future plans.
Key phrases you heard. What do you do? How long have you been doing that? Have you considered it seriously? That sounds amazing.
They shared personal information and gave each other advice.
Important vocabulary. Graphic designer, software engineer, freelancing, work-life balance, flexible hours.
When at a cafe, don't be afraid to start conversations with people around you.
Ask open-ended questions to keep conversations flowing naturally.
Be genuine and interested in what others have to say.
Thanks for listening to English Go Easy.
Cafe conversations show how English naturally happens in everyday settings.
Subscribe for more real-life English scenarios.
Until next time, enjoy your coffee and practice English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.